I have a VT3000 thermostat and need to know how to turn off the call for service message and the report message. Thanks.
Hello, pressing the report button typcially reset this, or once you make the corrective action, example batteries replaced, have you pressed the report button and listened to the code? Thank you, Richard. PS, if the fault still exists, let's say there is a problem with the unit, the code will not go away. Did you solve the issue and now trying to reset? Richard 41080.85410107664.
That did not work.
Hello, okay, let's go back a minute if we could. Was the original problem corrected? Or are you just trying to reset the error code? Thank you, Richard. PS, please be as detailed as you can. Thank you.
It's not an error code, it's call for service, and the hit report button messages is still showing. I just replaced the batteries and both messages went out. Could it have been low battery problem? Thanks for your persistence.
Hello, here is something that may help you if it just won't do anything. We can perform a factory reset. This will remove the program you have and you may need to restore it or re-enter it. Here is a link to the manual: http://www.smartwaysolutions.com/pdf/tech users guide 0511.pdf. On page 19 it will give you instructions on how to do this. It is not difficult. You will basically hold the no and reset buttons down until a red LED flashes, then release. This will reset to the standard factory default program. Let me know if this works for you. Thank you, Richard. Hello, sorry your message came in at the same time I sent one. Yes, the batteries being low will cause this. In one of my threads above I listed the batteries. If the alerts went out, you're good to go. With the VT3000 there are different software versions, so the terms may have changed a bit from what I am reading. Call for service or error code alert all still the same. Thank you, Richard.
Thank you. Changing the batteries did the trick.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.